Guys, welcome back to Cooking Easy with Easy, and today I'm going to show you how to make fresh pasta. Okay? So here, I got some double O typo flour for pasta, like that. And then here I have semolina flour, aka durum wheat flour, like that, just yellow like that. And then got eggs. Okay, for my recipe, it requires 250 grams of double pasta flour and 250 grams of semolina flour, and you're gonna need about 5 eggs. Okay, guys. Okay, so to my bowl, I'm gonna add 250 grams of semolina flour, 250 grams. Okay, 250 grams of type O double zero flour. Okay, mix it up. Mixed up. Okay, now you make a well. And you add 5 eggs, 5 whole eggs in there. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now you slowly break it and incorporate the flour in there. Okay. Slowly start incorporating your flour into your well to form a dough. Okay. Clean on the sides. And the dough is forming nicely. Now we're going to cover it, cling wrap, and cover it so it doesn't dry out. Let it rest for a bit. Okay, that's it, and into the fridge. The dough is finally, the pasta dough is rested. The reason I divide into 6 pieces. Okay, now we're gonna roll it. We're gonna roll it out on the pasta machine at the lowest setting first, and then we are going to increase it. Okay. Okay, guys. We're gonna roll the pasta dough. Okay. A few times so it's nice and soft, straight, flat. Okay, run a few times on the lowest setting. We're at 0 now. Okay, switch it to 1. Gets easier. Okay, guys. Okay. 2. Awesome, man. I love making pasta. Okay, it's been around that fourth setting for quite a while, okay, guys? Alright. Okay, we'll switch it up to 5. 5 now, okay? Look at that. Okay, now we set it to, I will do 7 as the last one, the last thickness. I don't want it too thin. 7, 11. That's how thin it gets. Make sure, guys, don't let it get crinkled up in there. Okay? Let's see how about that like this. This length. Okay? First, Chris, eating first. Okay, guys, this is so that one piece of dough I got into this many pieces. Okay, now we're gonna shred it up. We're gonna add the adjustment on it. Look at that. Look at this. Ha ha ha! Ha ha! What do you think about that, huh? Alright, now we're gonna put it on the tray with a little bit of flour. Okay. Look at that, guys. Nice. Pasta slices, okay. Ooh-cha! Okay, just like that. All right, man, let's go assemble this over here now. Okay, I got some boiling water here. Boiling water that I salted already. Then we're gonna put the pasta in, okay? So, here. This is one portion right here. Fresh noodles, okay? Right here. I got some of my mushroom Alfredo sauce. I'll put in the pan. Ooh, yeah, all the mushrooms there. Okay, this pasta shouldn't take that long because it's fresh. Okay, you want it a little bit al dente. Look at that. Okay, so the sauce is starting to bubble up in this. This is when you toss your fresh pasta, okay, guys? Toss it like that. Oh my gosh, look at this. Fresh pasta and fresh sauce. What more do you want? Get the sauce there. Okay, guys. Look at that. Bomb pasta. Okay, now we're gonna you guys have it. Mushroom fettuccine with fresh pasta, okay? And then you sprinkle the cheese on top. All right, man, here's the pretty all right guy. He's gonna try it. It's pretty all right, huh?
Pretty good.
Pretty good. Fresh pasta, guys. You guys can't go wrong, man. Shit's juicy.